Higher biomedical portable cryogenic transfer liquid nitrogen container bio 2T. Features a convenient handle, compact and easy to carry. Well-designed top cover to prevent condensed water from entering. Dust-proof and waterproof visual temperature monitor. Enables real-time temperature management. Vacuum structure and enhanced insulation materials. Ensures an ultra-long cryogenic storage period. Compatible with various types of sample cryogenic vials. Meets diverse needs. Designed with an anti-splash structure. Prevents liquid nitrogen spillage during transportation. The container is specially equipped with a liquid nitrogen adsorption layer. In exceptional circumstances, if the container tilts and liquid nitrogen flows out, it can still maintain a low-temperature environment for a certain period, ensuring the safety of the samples. Higher biomedical portable cryogenic transfer liquid nitrogen container bio 2T. Safeguards every sample.